In today's video, I'll quickly put you through on how to edit data, okay, you'll have in Microsoft Access. Maybe I've been working on some things and have some information you have inserted, but you want to edit it. How do you go about it? Follow me, let me walk you through on how to do that. All right, I have launched my Microsoft Access, so I will click on this. Okay, so I have two tables here and one form. So I will double click on this for it to open like this. Okay, so let's assume I want to edit this information here. Okay, so this is Michael. So maybe I want to change some things and have it as Mike. First is click on that, on that cell. Then you add your information, Mike. All right. Once you're done, you can click on another spot, okay, and change the information you want to change. Okay. If you want to change the other ID, click here and change it. Okay. Now, what of a situation whereby you want to change this, which is the main heading? How do you go about it? You can't click on this main heading and just change what you want to change. To change it is different. To edit the data is different. Okay. So what you do is to click on the heading once. All right. So you right click. You will be provided with some options. All right. Then select rename. All right. Once you select rename, this will be selected, the main heading. Then you give it a name, a name of your choice, a new name. So let's call this real name. Okay. In this case. So once you're done with that, you can press the tab key of your computer keyboard to get to the next heading, or you click here and you are good. So that is saved. So that's how you can edit data in Microsoft Access in easy steps. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, all right, YouTube education and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. This video here will walk you through on how to complete every task in Microsoft Access database software. Thank you and see you some other time.